Dito na yung sa kanina.
Okay, eto na. This is it. Ito na po yung first day ng ano namin sa... Nag-stay muna kami sa hotel before kami mag-ano sa... mag-flight. Yan. Ito yung mga bagahe namin. Yeah. Okay. Kami.
It's okay.
Yeah. Ito yung first day namin, June 7, 2024. First day, 3 days kami dito sa hotel. June 11 yung flight namin, pero...
Pwede naman dito natin. Ayusin mo
Ito
na.
lang yung ano namin. Yan. Matulugan lang. Ang flight namin is June 11, 2024. Yan, nag-check-in na kami ng June 9. June 9, 2024. 3 days kami dito. Prepare. Hey. Hi guys, good morning. Today is June 11, 2024.
Tuesday.
9 o'clock in the morning. And this is it. This is the day of our flight. Yung flight namin is ano ba naman, 8 o'clock ng gabi pa. Pero ito, gumising kami na yan. Mag-aalmusal muna kami, tapos yan, gagawin na namin yung mga dapat namin gawin today. Para pamaya, siguro mga 3 to 4 o'clock ng hapon, alis na kami dito sa hotel. Andito pa rin kami sa hotel, Millennium Place, Doha. 3 days kami nag-stay dito before ng flight. Okay guys.
Parang malungkot si Doy parang gusto sa tiki niya na.
Nagalikan nga for the wife.
Makakalupad
We'll touch until it's time to go. Then I leave it up to you. I can do so much for you. I want you, I you near me. Only you near me. I want you to stay and never go away.
It's already 80%, Mr. Edwin.
Only you near me. I love you tonight. It feels so right. Feels so right.
Mag-jacket ako ba? Mag-jacket na lang ako.
Only you hear me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's so right. You hear me. Only you hear me.
Papa! Di ba ang mask pa? Gusto ko charge. Parang mag-charge. Parang mag-charge.
Doon siya natin charger. Okay, to.
Charge naman si kuya eh. Kung ako.
Just wait. Just wait for you.
Ay, yan siya kuya. Pakipatay. 5% na ako.
Ako na, wag mong patayin.
Kung 5% na ako na mag-charge.
Yeah. Two less lonely people in the world.
My name's
Ano ba na yan? Mag-install na yan.
Oh, check.
I
shine so bright, you might go blind.